Me and Lucas. Wait.
What? You gonna help Mommy pick out some makeup? See? That's what you picked out so far. Alright, come on. We're gonna pick out some more. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So today I have something fun planned. Yes, I can't wait. So I have seen on TikTok and even here on YouTube different influencers having their spouse or their husband pick out their makeup. Since I have neither of those, I decided I would have my kids pick out my makeup. Yeah, so this is everything that they picked out. It's going to be a very interesting look today. Now, before we get into today's video, if you have not done so already, and you do love all things beauty, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so what I did was I designated specific drawers to each one of my kids. And I went through each of the drawers and I would ask them to pick out a product for whatever I needed to complete a full face. So my oldest was unable to participate, but my little one was super happy to take over and pick out the products for him. So here is how it went. All right, you're gonna help Mommy pick out some makeup, okay? Pick whatever one you want.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you like that one? Can you pick another one?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
Yellow.
Pick one in here.
Yes.
You like that? All right, can you pick one more? Pick one more in there. Okay, yeah, I like that one too. That one's pretty.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Me and Lucas. Wait.
What? You gonna help Mommy pick out some makeup? See? That's what you picked out so far. All right, come on. We're going to pick out some more. I need you to pick one of these. Whatever one of these. Pick one.
This.
You like that? Okay. Now I need you to pick out one of these back here. You like that? Okay. I need you to pick out one of these.
Yeah. These?
No, pick one.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, you like that one? Okay, we are good, buddy. You can pick out any one of these. You can pick out any of that. You like that?
I want best yellow.
Okay.
I want yellow flower.
Which one? You want that one or this one?
This one.
All right.
This one is yellow.
Yes, it is. Okay.
What look we going for today?
Whatever you want. You gotta pick out an eyeshadow palette and you gotta tell me what color theme you want.
I like this one. I like that one.
The blue?
Yeah. I got a color scheme.
What do you want?
Blues, purples, and probably some browns for the skin.
But these ones down here are neutral toned. These are like a purplish tone. This is a black, and that's like a pink. And this is red.
Oh, this one's nice.
This one to go with the purple and blue look.
Yep.
Alright, so put it up there.
These
These are my blushes, so pick a blush.
I'm trying to pick what to look. Is this a blush?
No. These, yeah, oh, this or this. So as you can see, they really had a lot of fun picking out the makeup for me, and they were really excited to be a part of today's video. Now before I get started, just to remind you, as always, I will provide the links to all the products I'm going to use today in the description box down below. So if you want to check out and see what products I'm using, that is where you'll find it. So I'm going to start off with my Avon Magic's Blur Primer Balm. I did make sure to do an extra layer of skincare because I was not sure what products they were going to choose, and as predicted, they did pick out some new products I have not tried out yet, so we're going to test them out today. Next, I used Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. So my youngest picked out these products, and I will agree with my son. This one does have a pretty color and cool packaging. So I originally tried using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Cottage Cheese as my eyeshadow primer. This was my first time using it, and I didn't realize it had like a shimmer to it. Plus, I didn't feel like it was going to be a good base for my eyeshadows. So I just grabbed another eyeshadow primer that my son had grabbed from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, these last few products were picked out by my youngest. Out of the 3 of my sons that picked out my makeup today, he was the most excited to be a part of today's video. He's our ball of sunshine, but as you saw with him rolling his eyes at me, he definitely has an attitude. He definitely doesn't take any of his older brother's crap. He's definitely my spirited child and keeps me on my toes. Next, I used Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. This is another one my youngest picked out because of the cool packaging. Who says packaging doesn't matter? You have to admit, even us adults get sucked in by the packaging. Well, at least I do. I have to consciously tell myself, do you really need that product, or do you just want the cool packaging? What about you? Does packaging suck you into buying products you may not need or even like? Now onto the fun part, eyeshadow. So these are what my sons picked out. As instructed, I first went in with How You're Doing from Michaela's palette in collaboration with Glamlight. I've been having a lot of fun playing with this palette. I'll actually go into more detail about both of the palettes I'm using today in an upcoming video. I next go into Freedom as my crease color. So my son, who picked out the eyeshadow palettes, his birthday is going to be the day I'll be posting this video. Happy birthday, sweetheart! I can't believe he's 13 years old already. Feels like yesterday I was pregnant with him. Now I'm going to have 3 teenagers and a toddler in my house. Please pray for me. I next go into MJ and use this to diffuse Freedom. So I had my now 13-year-old choose my eyeshadows because he's my creative one. He's into everything art, drawing, music, singing, and lately he's been doing videos and story posts with his anime figures over on Instagram and TikTok. He's getting a pretty good following on both platforms. He has such a big heart, and he's one of those people that just light up the room whenever he walks in. He's becoming an amazing young man. I'm just so proud of him and so happy that he's pursuing something that he loves and is passionate about. I'll provide the links to his pages in the description box so you can go and check them out. I highly recommend going to do so. Next, I'm going to go into my Queen Cosmetics Euphoria palette and going to use the shade Cassie. I'm not surprised he chose this specific color. He loves blue, and this is actually a very pretty blue. Now, as I said earlier, I'm going to talk more about this palette in an upcoming video, so keep an eye out. I'm now going to add the yellow ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Harmony on the lid. This was the first time me using this shade, and I got super frustrated. It wasn't giving me the pop that I wanted. After applying it with a wet brush, I then went in with my fingers to smooth everything out because it just started clumping and settling into my fine lines. As I said, I was getting super frustrated with this shadow, but I was determined to make it work. To enhance the green shade I created on the lid, I went back into my Glamlight palette and added just a touch of Stunning to the outer part of the lid. Next, I used my Stila Stay All Day dual-ended eyeliner to line my upper lash line. I just did as thin of a line as possible. I do have small lid space, and I just wanted to make sure that the eyeshadow was the star of the show. add e.l.f.'s No Budge eyeliner in navy in my tight line, and then applied ColourPop's BFF mascara and Blew Your Mind. I was struggling to get the blue to pop on my lashes. I don't know if it's because my lashes are too dark or the mascara shade is too light. To make sure that I used all the products they picked out, I applied the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner to my waterline. I will say that totally made the eye look better. I then added LA Girl's Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screamin'. I applied this right on my lower lash line. Now onto the face, starting with Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer. As you can see, I got this on sale at Walmart. Now, I do believe that this is a new launch, and when I saw it on sale, I was wondering why it was marked down already at Walmart. And then I tried it in today's video. This was probably one of the worst tinted moisturizers I've ever used. I will admit, it looks not too bad right now, but I'm telling you, as the day progressed, my skin began feeling more and more greasy. And when I looked in the mirror at the end of the day, it looked like it was sitting on top of my skin, enhancing every single pore and texture issue I had. I definitely do not recommend this. It's not even worth the $4 sales price. Next, I used ColourPop's Pretty Fresh Concealer. So my oldest was supposed to pick this, the foundation, and my next product, the powder, but as I said, he was unable to do so. He just recently graduated high school and is beginning the next chapter of his life. This past year has been so surreal. I got pregnant with him when I was a senior in high school, so we literally grew up together. I will have to say, being a young mom, he turned out pretty good. He's one of the smartest people I know, and he's not afraid to stand up for what he believes in. His memory and ability to remember things is astounding. He's probably going to get upset with me for talking about him, but I don't care. I'm just so proud of him and can't wait to see where he goes in life. I'm going to be taking him with me to my trip to the Dominican Republic that I earned through Avon as part of his graduation present. He loves to travel and learn about the history and culture of the local area, just like me. I'm looking forward to celebrating and having fun. Let's face it, we've come a long way together. I'm next going to Tatcha Silk Canvas Protective Powder. I just found it so funny that my little one chose the least expensive foundation tinted moisturizer that I had, and then went and picked out the most expensive powder I had. Last, but certainly not least, my second oldest picks. He first picked the Physician Formula's Butter Bronzer. As you saw, this is new. I had repurchased this for an upcoming video I'm going to be doing, but I was happy to use it again. It's been a while. I then went back into the Glamlight palette to add a little more purple to the look by blending the MJ shade to the lower lash line. I go back to my second oldest picks with the L'Oreal Invaluable Blush Stick. It would be him that pulls out an old favorite and remind me how much I love it. I swear, he's my partner in crime, and he has helped me out so much, especially with my little one when I was sick. They have such an amazing bond. He has such a big heart and does whatever he can to help those he loves and make them laugh. Oh my God, his wit. I swear he will come out of nowhere with his sarcasm and have everyone in the room cracking up. You can't help but just love him. Honestly, you can't help love all of my boys. We've been through a lot the last couple of years between me getting sick, going through a divorce, and then the pandemic. But through it all, we got through it together, and it pushed us to become better, individually and as a whole. They are all unique, but they are all amazing human beings who are kind, compassionate, and they're not afraid to stand up for the underdog. I know the world is going to be a better place because of them. I wake up each day feeling so blessed that I'm still here and that these amazing humans are not only a part of my life, but are my children.
Now here is my final look. Well, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as we enjoyed doing it.
If so, you can let me and my boys know by clicking that like button. Also, feel free to let them know how well they did in picking out my makeup in the comments down below. And if you have any other ideas that I can do to incorporate them into one of my videos, please let me know in the comments down below. As I said, my kids really did have a lot of fun being a part of today's video. Now, before you leave, if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.